scene they share, their chemistry is impossible to ignore, turning a familiar narrative into something genuinely compelling. A spark that carries the film. Belle and Brody don't just act together. They play off each other with natural ease that feels unscripted. One early scene, set in a quiet cafe where their characters meet by chance, immediately establishes their dynamic. Belle delivers a witty, slightly self-deprecating line, and Brody's response, equal parts charm and understated humor, elicits a real laugh. What could have been simple exposition becomes a showcase of effortless connection. Belle's strength lies in her ability to balance humor with vulnerability. She conveys emotional depth in subtle gestures, a glance, a pause, a fleeting smile, that make her character relatable and human. Brody, on the other hand, exudes relaxed sincerity. His charm never feels forced, and when paired with Belle, the result is a chemistry that feels electric yet grounded. Their banter is sharp, but the moments of quiet intimacy hit just as hard, creating a rhythm that keeps viewers invested even when the plot meanders. Familiar story, fresh feel, the narrative of Nobody Wants This treads familiar indie drama territory. Two individuals navigating the complexities of modern relationships, personal aspirations, and unexpected encounters. While the plot may not surprise, the way Belle and Brody inhabit their roles elevates it. Scenes that could have been predictable, like a chance encounter leading to awkward vulnerability, become moments of authenticity, thanks to their interplay. Director's name wisely keeps the visual style understated, letting the actors shine. Soft lighting, intimate framing, and a minimalist soundtrack allow the chemistry to take center stage without distraction. Even mundane settings, a city street, a shared apartment, a quiet park feel imbued with energy because of the way the actors inhabit them. Moments that stick several sequences stand out as proof of their on-screen magic. Rooftop conversation. Tension slowly melts into mutual understanding. Morning coffee scene. Quiet intimacy proves the power of small gestures. City walk and talk. Banter and subtle emotional beats highlight perfect timing. These scenes illustrate a larger truth. Nobody Wants This succeeds not because of a groundbreaking story, but because of the actor's ability to bring depth, warmth, and humor to every interaction. Belle and Brody's performances remind us that chemistry is as much about timing, subtlety, and listening as it is about dialogue. Scene highlights and pull quotes. 1. The cafe encounter moment. Their first meeting in a cozy cafe sets the tone for the film. Pull quote, from the very first glance, you feel something electric between them. It's impossible to look away. 2. Rooftop tension turned intimacy moment. A late night rooftop conversation softens from tension into genuine connection. Pull quote, a quiet cityscape becomes a stage for heartbeats, glances, and the kind of intimacy only Belle and Brody can create. 3. Morning coffee magic moment. Simple, tender intimacy captured over coffee. Pull quote, it's the little things, a shared smile, a soft laugh, that make this pairing unforgettable. 4. Walk and talk chemistry moment. Casual city walk filled with playful banter and subtle emotional beats. Pull quote, every step, every pause, every glance between them feels perfectly timed, as if the city itself is part of their dance. 5. The climax conversation moment, heart to heart, that brings the film's emotional core forward. Pull quote, they carry the emotional weight with grace. When they speak, you lean in. Conclusion, Nobody Wants This proves that a film can be elevated by the right pairing of actors. Kristen Bell and Adam Brody don't just share scenes, they ignite them, making even familiar narrative beats feel fresh and engaging. For viewers seeking a film driven by authentic performances and electric chemistry, this is a must-watch. Rating: Belle and Brody's dynamic makes this familiar story shine.